things just got a lot more gorgeous.
The following contest is a Tornado Tag Team match. Introducing first, from Seasonal Residences, weighing in at 212 pounds, Tyler Breeze.
He owns many homes around the world. Tyler Breeze, very accomplished superstar here in WWE, teaming with Fandango to form the Fashion Police.
You know, guys, Breeze flew here on a private jet direct from Milan just to grace the WWE Universe with his presence.
Oh, what a nice guy.
Well, he considers tonight a quote-unquote prove-yourself match.
Well, Tyler Breeze is treating tonight like it's Fashion Week, and his opponent's face like his catwalk.
From the Fashion Police, this is Fandango,
One of my favorites.
And his partner, from Boston, Massachusetts, weighing in at 244 pounds, Fandango!
You realize just because you wear a badge doesn't make you a cop, right? He's no more than putting chicken feathers in your ear makes you a chicken, Byron.
or Byron, just you sitting here at the announce desk doesn't make you an...
You can't cramp something that doesn't exist.
Huh?
1999.
Well, it's a play on words.
As unusual as he may be, Fandango is always a threat to handle his business when the bell rings.
And at a combined weight of 365 pounds, Mansoor and Ricochet.
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match.
Well, the bell could really be replaced with a tornado siren, guys, because this tornado match is going to be one for the books with Tyler Breeze and Fandango. Then the opposing team is, of course, filled with Mansoor and Ricochet.
These two teams have been waiting to get at each other, and I, for one, am just glad we finally get this over with. I just can't take all this negativity. Well, Saxton, what you take as negativity, I see as passion. These teams are very passionate about what they want to do to their opponent and don't mind vocalizing it in detail, which I happen to appreciate.
Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old air raid siren makes the cover.
And Breeze dodges.
Oh, my, on the roll, but he kick out of that.
So resilient.
Measured knee drop. Got him where he wants him. Up and down. Fucking arrow.
Incredible.
Oh, man. Oh, right to the kidneys. Across the top rope, all the way to the floor. And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
Hammerlock. Reverse DDT.
Now he's been put on the defensive. Hold on.
He's still doing a lot of damage, though. Trying to find a way out. Trying to make it back to a vertical base. Does just that. Can he pry himself out? Yes.
Skillful reversal stops Ricochet.
Nicely done, snap suplex, so quick.
And he goes into the ring.
Kick to the midsection. Looking for the straitjacket.
Into the backstabber.
Overhand right lands.
Gets inside the ring.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Breeze throwing caution to the wind.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out. Easier said than
Taking flight. Good Lord. Taking flight. Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
slingshot, spinning cross body.
Great rotation. That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
Quick thinking from Mansoor.
Ooh, takedown. He'll take things into the ring. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Shifts it back onto him.
From behind.
And the foot just stomping down. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Up top.
Fandango got it. Can he end it? Tiebreaker.
Fandango.
Oh, that was beautiful. Here he goes for the win.
Can he close it out?
And that will end it.
Here are your winners, Tyler Breeze and Fandango.
And it's Fandango finishing off this one for the team.
These teams really put each other through their paces in this tornado tag match.